We got some awesome sun behind this tree. This lovely little adventure photo bike ride video is sponsored by the fine folks over at ASYNC. They were kind enough to send me their beautiful electric mountain bike called the H7. The H stands for hybrid because it's perfect for riding on-road as well as off-road like I did in this video. I feel like this bike is the jack of all trades, kind of do-it-all electric bike that is perfect for adventures like this. Some of the features to note is that it has a carbon fiber frame and handlebars to keep things relatively light. It comes in at just under 60 pounds with the battery, so it feels like a normal bike. It's still maneuverable, but you get all the benefits of that electric motor as well. Speaking of that motor, it's a 500-watt mid-drive motor that lets you get up to a maximum speed of 28 miles per hour, and it has 5 levels of pedal assist. I personally liked keeping it on about level 2 or 3, which made for any uphill riding an absolute breeze without draining the battery like you would at maybe a level 5. The battery itself is a 960 watt-hour battery, and it's removable, which is awesome because then you can actually take it out, charge it inside, or you could actually swap batteries if you had multiple. The battery will get you about 50 to 125 miles depending on throttle usage and the terrain conditions. I don't know if you can tell how steep that hill is behind me, but we are just with ease cruising up this forest road. If you haven't ridden an electric bike, it's a unique experience because it's like assisting you, so it feels like you're a superhero. Yeah, this is like insane because I've gone up this hill before on my gravel bike, my normal bike, and this is like huffing and puffing status right here. And now I'm literally holding a camera and a tripod with one arm and easily rolling up it. I was actually hoping to see a lot more fall colors when I was out on this ride to shoot photos of. That was kind of the premise of this, but nonetheless, I had a great time, and honestly, exploring via e-bike is something I definitely could get used to. All right, so we made it out here to the spot that I was kind of trying to get to up this forest road climb, but I thought there would be more fall colors, to be completely honest. I'm a little early, but nonetheless, it was really nice to get out on the ASYNC H7. Mount Pilchuck behind me. I don't know if you can tell, but there's basically these endless forest roads that you can get. You can ride. That one looks pretty sweet. Kind of cuts through the mountain right there. And I could rip all of them on that beauty, which is sick. All the stuff that you want to do on a dirt bike or just like not fully leg powered. And I love leg powered stuff. Leg powered, yeah, official term. I do, but I'm a little bit sick right now and I was still able to get out today. Just getting over a cold. I don't really know what to take a photo of. How's that? Oh, that's cute. Yeah. All right. All right, well, that's gonna wrap this video up. Not quite the fall colors I was looking for, but hopefully those photos were still kind of cool and this video was somewhat enjoyable to watch. It was definitely fun to make. Thank you, ASYNC, for sending me this bike. I cannot wait to get my own. I have to send this specific one back, but yeah, check the link in the description if you were looking for an electric mountain bike. They have a campaign going on right now and you can save some money by using that link. And hopefully I'll get one again in the future soon for many more adventures and miles. I have so many more roads to explore. Yeah, I'm gonna rip this hill. Later. And that is the best part. I'm not even bummed or out of breath coming back up for the camera.